cloudy, but it's 48 degrees. Thursday, December 21st, 2023. I am out here, YouTube, this December afternoon after work ride. I think this is going to be the warmest day of the week at 48 degrees. It is warm enough for me to be out here road gliding. Got this Christmas, I guess they require air. They're not pumped up, they're all laying down. I just wanted to get out for this quick ride before the sun goes down. For some throttle therapy, two-wheel therapy, whatever you want to call it. Of course, out on one of my favorite roads, favorite routes. When I ride after work. Not bad at all. Out here, not bad at all. I see they picked those trees up that they cut down here, I guess about a week ago. A couple trees fell across the road due to those high winds in this area. Hopefully everyone is ready for the holiday season here that's upon us rather quickly. Christmas is literally around the corner this coming Monday. While I'm out, I think I will get some gas. Rocking about a quarter of a tank, which is good enough for me. I'm not going far. A quarter of a tank will get me back home with no problem. With room to spare. But since I'm here, let's go ahead and top off. All right, since I'm here, I am going to change out my gloves. Grab that receipt. I was going to call it a short ride, but it absolutely feels good out here. So to make sure that we say good and toasty, I am going to get plugged in. It's a nice BMW. What is that? M50i. Yeah, the horses don't mind the cold. Looks like one has a coat on. Oh, we got 5+ acres over here to my left for sale. Farmland. I'm not certain what crop, but if I was to guess, maybe corn. If you are interested, here in Maryland, this actually is Hughesville, Maryland, to be exact. All the gear makes a difference in helping determine whether or not you're going to get out and go for a ride on your two wheels. I guess it's really starting to look a lot like Christmas. These skies, man, looks like it could snow at any time. But I don't believe snow is in the forecast. It's hard to make it a short ride, man. Just when you get out here and you get this heated gear turned on and you get pretty toasty, man, you just decide to extend your ride. Man, I'm feeling good. Looks like I am not the only one that decided to come out after work. Another Harley Davidson motorcyclist. He was rolling with a half. Is it a half helmet? Maybe a 3/4, but it looked like a half. He's really sucking in that fresh air. I don't blame him. It feels good out here. I'm here at my turnaround spot. Nothing coming the other way. Pull to the shoulder just to make sure no one made that turn, and I'm out in front of that car that truck that just made that turn. So we are good. While I'm out riding, I'm out here practicing as well. Those slow maneuvers, those U-turns in the middle of the road in case you have to go back the other way. Practice when you can. And if you can, especially when you come out for a ride, to get some therapy. So happy holidays to all. Enjoy this time of year with your family and friends. I am going to continue this ride. Enjoy this brisk, fresh air. And until next time, see ya.